Hello friends, let's analyze the Bitcoin chart and see if we can find a possible top for the price. The first thing you note is that if we draw a box here, last time the price went into this range, the price rejected both times, and right now we are in this same zone. So we could easily see rejection here. So Bitcoin could easily go back to 60K. So let's try to find if there are some other way we can find a possible top. We can take this Fibonacci from here to the swing high, back to swing low. And we see that we are right now approaching the 2.69 level. So that is also a sign that a possible top is in. And if there are now two possible scenarios. We have either an ABC, A, B, and then a C. If that is the case, that's the bearish case. The price would easily then go down, and we could even make a new low. That's one possibility. Another possibility, the bullish case, is that we have some kind of an impulse. We have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 here, and a possible wave 4 to maybe this level here. Get support by this level, so around 50K. Then we probably go up and make a new 5-day high. That could be around maybe 80K or something. So that's the bullish possibility. But even after that case, we could see a big dump from here and make a new low again. So that's what I'm seeing right now. Have a great day. Thank you.